Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the channel. It's a snow day here, so I figured I would try to come on and get some of my crafting caught up. This is my December daily 2024, and today I'm going to try to finish day 19 and 20. I may get all of this done today. We shall see. But I basically did some journaling off camera, and because I needed to journal, I stuck down my stickers first. This one, nothing stuck down yet. And then this one I had a plan for quite a while ago. And it's basically just to mount this picture, and the rest of the page was already done. I think I did this during my Christmas in July when I was all crazy with my Franken papers. So I will, and I pulled just some stickers from my December kit. The stamp set is here if I need it, but I probably won't because this page is already quite busy. So I will put you on fast forward while I finish this up. So I don't really think I sped this up at all, actually. Most of this layout was done for me with the Franken paper and that 4x6 journal card. There was very little else that I really needed to do in the planning. I had these big die cut pieces from my December daily kit, and I've been trying to figure out how to use them. So I thought I'm going to put a big one right here on this 4x6 card because all the journaling is on the bottom one. And that little tree die cut, that little layered die cut there on that bottom 4x6 card was using my, I don't remember if it was AliExpress. It was either like an AliExpress or like a Temu die. And I happened to have some little scraps of Tim Holtz paper, Christmas paper. Sorry about that. Doggies are wrestling and playing as I'm doing my voiceover, like normal. And this is usually a very feisty time of day for them. So if it sounded like raccoons scrapping, it was just Yorkies. All right, so I am just going to use this scrap piece of, two scrap pieces of, I think it's 110-pound cardstock, just to lift my photo because that little square scallopy frame on that 6x8 page is a chipboard frame. And if I stuck my photo down, of course, it would lift at the top and bottom. So this is a great way to use a lot of your little scraps. They don't have to be rectangles. It could be whatever you've got. And I've been doing this after seeing it on a card making channel. Oh, here they go again. I think they're taking another break. All right, I'm going to see if I can finish up this voiceover before WWE erupts again. Yeah, so I'm just using these little scraps of white cardstock instead of foam tape for a lot of different reasons, really. Foam tape isn't really great for the environment, and I'm too cheap to buy it, so there you go. I have plenty of cardstock scraps, so why not put them to good use? I use these too if I need to add dimension on my scrapbook layouts or on like greeting cards, pretty much anything that I need to add another layer for. So I'm just sticking those down using a combination of liquid glue and my ATG runner. And now I'm going to see if I can figure out where to put one of these little stickers. I really wanted to use this comfy and cozy sticker on this page because it was very comfy and cozy. fireplace, the doggies, the Christmas tree in the background. It was just it was a good day. So this is a wood veneer that I got from an Allie Edwards kit way back when I was a subscriber. I'm still working through a lot of the little bits and pieces, and I just thought it'd be kind of nice to throw it down right there. Of course, I flipped it on the table and got glue everywhere first. So I'm just using my liquid glue to stick that down. And then I'm going to take my little number sticker that I made. I think I also did these in Christmas in July. They were a very old sticker pack that had all the numbers on them. And I just used some like vintage music sheets and I think it was like dictionary pages or something, just to put behind the little circle, just to make them a little bit more substantial. So using my stash. So I decided to cut this tag because it was obviously too big to fit pretty much anywhere on this page. And then I wanted to pull up the little sticker and make it almost like a layer, but it was going to be too big. So I ended up using the part of the sticker that had the tag topper on the top and just this little red leftover piece on the side, almost like it's sticking out like a tab. Just repositioning a few things. Wow, those critters are restless today. I'm moving to another room because they're way too loud. All right, so just trying to stick and plonk a few little things down. This die cut here was a piece from Tim Holtz vintage Christmas pack, I think. And I know it has like cough drops and stuff on it, but it's quite big and I don't really have any other spot in my album that I can put it. So that is pretty much it. I'll be back to you live here in just a moment. All right, so day 19 and day 20 all done. Pretty happy with that. So there we go. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video, which will probably be in the next few minutes. All right, bye for now.